As the isolated pieces of the wildlife management puzzle start to make more sense, it becomes possible to construct the bigger wildlife management picture. One of the more important next steps, if you are to fully understand and to apply the many different component parts of wildlife management, is to comprehend the importance and the concept of habitat carrying capacity. Habitat carrying capacity means the maximum number of animals of a certain species that a particular habitat can sustainably carry without causing permanent damage to the habitat, that is, to the vegetation. And sustainability means forever. All animal species are adapted to some specific kind of habitat or range of similar habitat types, without which particular animal species cannot exist. For example, zebras, which are grazers, can only exist in grassland ecosystems. They cannot exist at all in closed forest habitats that contain no grass. Particular habitats have the ability to sustainably carry only a certain maximum number of those species of animals that are especially adapted to them. Indeed, the existence, the size, and the quality of those habitats is the primary and most important consideration of wild animal population management. Wildlife management strategies, therefore, are applied to animal populations based entirely upon their numbers when measured against the carrying capacities of their habitats. Thus, if the sustainable habitat carrying capacity for a particular animal species has been determined to be 1 animal per hectare, then 1 animal per hectare is the saturation level for that species of animal in that habitat. And if that habitat covers an area of 10,000 hectares, then the overall population size for that animal species in that habitat must not be allowed to exceed 10,000. When that population continually hovers around but does not exceed the number 10,000, therefore, we call such a population safe. When it drops to below 5,000 and continues to decline, we call it unsafe. And if it increases to 20,000 and continues to expand, we call it excessive. In the next series, I will explain just how we manage these different categories of same species populations. Understanding this phenomenon, for example, will explain our options for elephant management in Southern Africa.